I wanted Aisha to really understand better and be part of the Welsh community and heritage.
Being able to take part in the Eisteddfod and different Welsh activities, it does just show you do feel part of a community straight away, even from myself who's not a Welsh speaker.
I come from a Russian family who was raised in Estonia, and I was educated in Estonian, and I think it gave me sense of belonging.
It's just a pride of being Welsh, and it's something you can't really bottle up or sell. It's just, you feel it. Being in a Welsh medium, I'm sure that will improve the kids' thought about being Welsh, and they give them more of an identity.
It probably shapes their life quite a lot.
I absolutely love how they are part of a community, the whole Welsh history, Welsh heritage, Welsh culture.
That sense of I am part of something of the past.
You're committing to a language but also to a culture, and I think the advice I would give is to embrace that.
They've been to many Eisteddfods, now they want to go to Maesby, they go to Welsh clubs, they follow Welsh singers. So they've got this whole little culture that we have here in Wales that they can be completely immersed in.
I feel that one of the best ways of introducing her to that aspect is really through language. I think I'd like to learn generally about Welsh culture, and I think maybe learning it through the medium of our child is probably one of the best ways, because that way then you really have a genuine interest and you want to support her with that.
I get really proud when I hear them talking it. It's so nice to hear.
There is just something so lovely about just being in a Welsh country and hearing your child speak that native tongue.
I really want my children to be immersed in it, understand where they're coming from, understand their roots.
Well, if they have kids when they're older, if they stay around, they can speak Welsh to their kids going through Welsh school. So, you know, like I said, that balance is shifting, I think, and more people can speak it. So yeah, we've had no problems at all with making that choice.